Telegram unable to send message easy solution. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve unable to send message on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So this type of issue usually occurs when you have been trying to log into the same account over and over again, and Telegram will no longer send you the SMS because you have been spamming it too much. So in order to solve this, most likely this is an automated process with usually within a couple of hours or a day at maximum. You can just try to re-log in, make sure you have access to your account, and you will get the code into your account or the SMS. Otherwise, what you can try to do is you can just try changing your IP address by using a VPN, or you can use any VPN from the Play Store or App Store, and you can also try to switch your network if that helps. And then especially if you are using it on Android, long press the Telegram app icon, tap the I button here, then simply scroll down to the storage tab, then clear the cache files and clear the data, and then just try to re-log in again to see if that helps you. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.